Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Friday, January 4th. And you can see yesterday temperatures climbing up in the mid-30s to help melt some of the snow that we had from the day before, although that wasn't a whole lot of snow to melt. But certainly temperatures pretty mild with some breaks trying to pull through. But overall, yesterday was a pretty cloudy day. And again, for the headlines, we're watching for Sunday night into Monday morning for some freezing rain, snow, and then eventually turning over to rain. But before that happens, portions of central Michigan and northern Michigan could see several inches of snow and maybe a glaze to a tenth or two of an inch of ice. So again, Monday morning we could have some impacts for area schools, so we'll want to keep an eye on this system. And again, it could have a pretty significant impact on parts of the state as it looks right now. Again, that Sunday night, very late Sunday night into early Monday morning, I think is when the best chance of wintry precipitation will occur. Our normals for the day, our normal high is 29, the normal low is 14, and yesterday we had a high of 35 and a low of 28 with no precipitation. And sunrise this morning at 8:11. It'll set tonight at 5:15. If we gain about 1 to 2 minutes per day now, and you can see temperatures quite uniform out there with cloud cover. And right now temperatures mainly in the low 30s, the exception in Newaygo down to 26 degrees. And if you look at satellite view, you can see a low pressure system off to the south that's spreading some precipitation, but that'll stay off to our south. We're going to be in this nice wedge of fairly calm weather here for the next 72 hours. When we expect, again, plenty of sunshine for today, tomorrow, and into much of Sunday. And then Sunday night into Monday is when that storm will roll in. You can see nothing on radar this morning. And if we look at the weather map this morning, again, there's that low pressure system that will move off to the east, won't affect us. We'll be dominated by high pressure system over the next 72 hours. And if we look at precipitation from that storm coming in for Sunday night into Monday into early Tuesday, you can see about a quarter to a half inch across southeast lower Michigan with about a half inch to an inch as you get farther north. And again, it's this area right here across central and north central lower Michigan where I think the biggest freezing rain threat will be, but could also be several inches of snow from Lansing off to the north. I think Lansing, you have the better chance of ice to begin with and then change to rain. You get up towards Breckenridge and Lakeview, Newaygo. Again, those areas I think could see a couple or several inches of snow, then change to freezing rain, and then the rain, and it could be a little bit more in the way of snowfall as you get up towards Houghton Lake and Roscommon areas. As far as the snowfall over the next 72 hours, much of this coming at the very tail end of that 72-hour period. But you can see not a whole lot of snow expected initially here, and then we'll be interesting to take a look at the later models on some of the snowfall. A couple of them go kind of ballistic on it, but for the most part, most of the models would give us just minor amounts of snow, then freezing rain, and then a pretty good soaking rain here for later on the day on Monday. You can see as far as the forecast goes, temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s right on through the period. And again, it's this period where we drop down below freezing Sunday night into Monday, that we could have some very slippery roads out there, and then eventually later on Monday that changes to rain, then ends with a touch of snow showers on Tuesday as temperatures cool down a bit. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, a great weekend, and 73s to all.